Hi, it's Miss Sophie from the Aurora Public Library. I've got June here with me today, and welcome to episode 2 of Kitchen Chemistry, where we'll explore simple science experiments you can do using ingredients you might already have at home. So today we're going to be making some oobleck. Yeah, it's a funny sounding word. Oobleck actually comes from the Dr. Seuss book Bartholomew and the Oobleck. This mysterious, sticky, gooey substance drips down from the sky. What makes oobleck so cool is that it doesn't follow Isaac Newton's law of viscosity. Basically, it's a liquid that can either feel like a liquid or a solid. Pretty crazy, right? Usually, we think of things being either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. But oobleck changes the way it reacts depending upon the amount of force applied to it. Really cool, right? Okay, so let's get started and make some oobleck. For this experiment, we'll need a mixing bowl, 1 cup of water, 1.5 to 2 cups of cornstarch, some food coloring, and a spoon to mix in our food coloring to our water. So the first step is to pour our cornstarch into the mixing bowl. Junie, will you help me with that, please? Mm-hmm. Perfect. That's really packed in there. Oh, there you go. Awesome. Okay, now before we put our water in, let's color our water to dye our oobleck. So what color would you like our oobleck to be?
Purple.
All right, so what 2 colors do you need to add to make purple?
Red and blue.
Great. So go ahead and just, here, let me move this closer to you. Drop a few drops of each. That looks good. All right, stir it all up. Gentle. Okay.
Wow.
That's pretty purple.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now let's slowly pour our colored water into our cornstarch, and we'll mix it up using our hands. Excellent.
You'll start to feel resistance in the mixture as the cornstarch and water combine. Your oobleck will be ready when it starts to thicken, kind of like slime. If your oobleck is too runny, add more cornstarch. If it's too thick, add water. Now you can feel how its reaction changes depending upon the force applied. You can try to form a ball with oobleck like a solid material, but when you release your hand, it acts like a liquid and drips through your fingers. Another way to test oobleck is to quickly and forcefully drop your hands into the mixture. Because we are applying lots of force, the oobleck has a solid barrier. But if we go slowly and gently, oobleck acts like a liquid and our fingers dip through the surface.
Earlier, we said that oobleck is a slime-like material. So, knowing that it's a little bit different, but it shares some similarities, let's compare and contrast. So, Junie, what are the ways that oobleck is the same as slime? Let's make some comparisons.
You can both mold them into stuff.
Yeah, right? They have a very pliable, moldable texture, right? And what are some of the differences? How can we contrast the two things?
Because this is gooier than slime, because it's not that like a liquid. It doesn't drip down.
That's right. So slime probably feels more like a solid, right? Like you can form it into a ball and it will hold its shape. Whereas with oobleck, it kind of, once you make a ball, it kind of drips on down. Mm-hmm. Great. Those are some good comparisons and some good contrasting. Mm-hmm. All right, well, we hope that you had fun making some oobleck with us today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.